Okay, so let's get this piece in here. Let's start on this end. And I'm going to use this little work stop here, and this way I could just get the center location of the piece and here, even though I have layout marks just as like a reference so I don't make a bonehead mistake. And so after I drill and tap this hole, I could just flip the piece around back up against this work stop, and it should still be in the same center line here. So at least that's the theory behind that. So, alright, let me get an edge finder in here and locate the center of the workpiece. I'll go ahead and do that off camera. Okay, so this has got to get drilled and tapped to a 632 thread. So let's get started with that. Okay, so the plans call to drill a 257 thousandths diameter hole for a depth of 280 thousandths. So that's the letter F drill bit. So I'll drill that. Then after that gets drilled, I gotta come back with a number 7 drill bit, which is a 1/4 tap size, and that goes down 700 thousandths deep. So. All right, let's get started here. Okay, so now I got to go down 700 thousandths with this. Now, what I'm going to do is, since I switched to drill bits, I lost my reference from this top surface. So what I'm going to do is I have a 20 thousandths feeler gauge, and I'm just going to lay this right on top here. Just touch down on that, and re-zero out my quill. And so now I'll have to go down 720 thousandths down on this here. So so I have a 32nd of an inch slitting saw, and we're gonna cut this slit, and it's gonna I guess terminate, best word, in the middle of this hole here. So I got this on center here, and we're gonna make this in one cut. So let me get this in position, make sure everything's still in focus. Okay, and this will probably slow this down a bit. And WD-40. Okay, so we got a mill an angle off of this, and it's a 15-degree angle. So I got a 15-degree angle block in there, and I got this work stop, so I could relocate the other side easily. So let's get going. Okay, so do a little cleaning up on that, and this piece should be done.